Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong today expressed concern over price rise of petrol and diesel in the country affecting the state too. Speaking to the media, Tinsong said, the prices of petrol and diesel is never constant. It keeps on fluctuating and he is unsure whether prices of these fuels will further go up or come down. Tinsong admitted that the rise of prices of these items are also having rippling effects on the people. However, he is of the opinion that the government and the state governments should subsidize the prices of these fuels so as to lessen the burden on the common people.
The government of India kalak ban subsidize no ya baka limit yung kakanlong bitang hapo kata tiga hap ban subsidize de ban subsidize pada work sufu kamu der kabatam nang ta kamu kapsil ka government de be it central government or be it the state government bro a ken hakanya fikir lang na mata kami to let us see amar komo pi kaneka international market the fluctuation ka dong teng ka kiu teng ka here teng ka kiu teng ka here let us see ngatermen spending na kaliang jong government of India they already taken note of this malpani kalau serius mentai mat Mumbai naik ke highest price kaba kejing rem jong ka diesel kelain kan ka petrol kata be bisa kata that's why let us see kumo pina markani ka hapadia ke national policy ke national policy kumo pin work out kumo banle hakan politik ya hakan politik ila ban subsidize let's say kelak belum 2%, lene 3%, lene 4%. They accordingly ke state government lu pihak penjailan. They tamu kemo pi damarkan ni kam ke fluctuation kam last. Play history pro. Abaka kieu teng kahir. Abaka kahir teng kieu kan. Long kan ni ke fluctuation ka gen. Ini nak ban anticipate. Haduk lanu kan ni katput. Lani haduk lanu kan ni kejing ka ba ngi kendu nadu ka central government haduk ke state government haduk di pajak nasional sedang ka ngi kendu kan las kan ni den lay ngi observe na kalian government state government ba kumjuro na kena scan na kalian central government kan attend seriously kan issue kumno ngile hagini kiski kan